With Bake Materials in RapidPipeline, you can bake material properties like color, normal, or roughness to improve performance by reducing the shader complexity. This train issue model has 4 materials with overall 12 texture maps, not quite optimal for a single asset. Manually generating UUVs for the model and baking the texture atlases is possible, but quite tedious. That's where RapidPipeline steps in. Inside RapidPipeline for 3ds Max, you'll find several actions. For this case, we'll use Bake Materials. You can adjust settings like the texture baking resolution, normal map baking options, or explore advanced options like Atlas mode. In this case, we'll stick with the defaults and hit Run. The shoe materials have now been optimized. All have been baked into a single one, bringing the texture count down to just 3. It's significantly lighter and ready for real-time use. Depending on your needs, you may want to change the Atlas mode to group by material altogether or other criteria. Tweak the Atlas factor to control texture count and textile density, or enable preservation of tile textures. Optimize your models fast, flexibly, and effortlessly with RapidPipeline for 3ds Max. Try it for free or chat with our human team right on the website.